When it comes to teaching, I derive joy to teach young fashion enthusiasts on how to become a successful fashion designer. So we are having a program, ITF program on skill acquisition. So I happen to be the tutor for fashion designing. So here are some of my students for Saturday classes learning how to pedal the industrial machine. Now, because of time, I will not allow us to watch the full clip, but I'm trying to give us an overview of how it all started. Now, before today, I have taken my time to go through the foundation needed to become a successful designer. So, in this lecture, we are having a feel of the industrial machine, and they are going one after the other to match it and have a knowledge on how to control it. Now, bear in mind, I am not allowing the video play full. I'm just cutting it to save time and save strength. So, the end of the video will show you how I was able to teach them, illustrate to them how to draft a female high waist palazzo trouser. So, stay tuned and watch the drafting stage. I don't know if I will be able to cover everything, but if you love or if you like to have the full video on how to cut this, kindly comment in the comment section of this video and share this video as well for me to be notified that you want to learn how to cut a female palazzo trouser, right? So it will be a high waist trouser. So here I have my client or the student I am using to illustrate to them how to take an appropriate measurement. Now, bear in mind that this is a high waist trouser, so the reason you have to measure from the point where your customer wants the high waist to be, and after which you take the hip measurement, which I am taking right here. Now, making sure that the hip measurement is a bit free, not like the tightness of the hip when you're making a skirt, right, or a regular female outfit. Now you take the lap measurement. Now, to achieve a perfect trouser effect, the palazzo effect, it's advisable that you use the lap measurement to cut on the knee and on the ankle. By so doing, it flows all through without any hitch and gives you that corporate look and foreign finishing. So I will try my best to make sure I show you the processes. Like I said, if you want to have access to the video of this illustration, please kindly comment, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comment section of this video. So here I am starting to fold my fabric in this form. So fold in this form, trying to cut the front panel first. Now the first thing I did here was to mark out my baselines and start the connection processes. So now mark out your baselines as shown in this way, and after which you add extra 2 inches for the hemming of the trouser. After that, you apply the customer's length of trouser, and bear in mind you are going to deduct the band measurement from the length of the trouser, then add extra half an inch, which is what I am doing in this video. Now after that, the next thing you do is to make sure that you add you calculate the crotch measurement very well. So the formula for the crotch is hips divided by 4 plus extra 3 inches to 4 inches depending on how high the waist is. So in this illustration, I will use extra 3 inches to add to the crotch to make the hip rather to make the crotch to come up to the high waist point. So here I have finished cutting the front panel and I am cutting the back panel. So now, like I said, if you want to have the full video, kindly comment, share. I am not playing the full video. I am trying to cut the video to save time, to give you an overview on how this was cut. And here I am trying to mark the back waist. The back waist must be pushed in. You should not start from the front waistline to add extra inch. The back waist should push in to remove gaping or any error at the back waist region. So after this, I have explained to them and they have understood what I meant. And then the sidelines from the side trouser will be curved, and start from there to apply the waist by 4, then add extra 2.5. Now bear in mind that the front panel did not have 1 inch addition as required on the drafting. I took the 1 inch to the back panel. So this is what I was trying to explain to them, and they understood. So add extra 2.5, 1 inch for the front and 2.5 for the back. Then add in that form. And then after that, you now reapply the hip measurement from that direction, hip by 4 plus extra 2 inches, which was what I did or what I'm doing. Then connect the line as well, bring out the crotch line to the crotch point. And after that, the next thing I did was add extra 2 inches. But the 2 inches will end at the knee position. It should not exceed the knee, right? You don't need to add 2 inches all through to the ankle. The 2 inches you add there should end on the knee point so that the trouser can stand erect. As you can see how I place my hip curve to end it on the knee line. Then after the connection, we now cut the trouser, and my boy wanted to start sewing. He was just trying to play around with them while I took someone else's measurement. So here I had the client that came in and I wanted to measure his senator outfit, and which they also paid attention to and learned as well. You see how they are happy and all interested with their beautiful faces and to learn how to do that. So here I am talking with my customer, which just left, that I went back to start sewing. Now before the lights, the fall in the gen got finished, and we shifted the class to the next week because I have every Saturday, right? So down here I am trying to start sewing, and that was the end of this class. So this day is now on Monday, right? And this was when the new set came. The another set that their trainings are on every Mondays. So they came as well, and which I have started to teach them initially. So in today's class, we are having a feel of the industrial machine. So I asked them to set it on, pedal it to see or to feel the matching effects. This is my guy Emmanuel by name. He's very active and friendly. So here we have this our lady trying to match the machine, and we have this little mama trying to also learn how the machine is being pedaled or controlled, right? So after all of these stages, now I will start teaching them as well how to cut and draft a female palazzo trouser as well. This might have a combat that they will learn how to do all of this. So we also have this lady here trying to pedal the machine and see how it's being done. So it was a nice time with them all because they came prepared and I also came prepared. So now here I have my next students going in on the machine, and this is how he started. And here we are trying to start cutting stages, and all of them have gone through round the machine. And then these were the people that came early in the morning. They were more than this number, right? So as they came in the morning, I had to keep them busy, to make them learn ahead of time, so we don't waste much time waiting for others. So Emmanuel here is dedicated to learn tailoring, and I pray he will achieve his dream and goals. So we also have other people. So here the training has started properly, and I have started to teach them the machine parts, the machine controls, the oil part of the machine, all the necessary things they need to learn or know about machine handling. So after that, the next thing I will do here is to take them to the table where I will teach them how to draft a female trouser and how to stitch it as well. So here I am teaching them how to thread the machine, and which I promised them that I will make a proper video for them and send to the group so they will have a clear view of how the machine is being threaded. So these are more are what I am bringing in this video, right? So if you also want to have a feel and knowledge of that, kindly drop a comment on this video, and that will make me to believe that you really want this as well. So here we have a fuller class. Most of them are present now. So this is a cross section of my students, how focused they are, dedicated, and paying attention to the illustrations. So having known this or having done this, now the next we are going to do here will be to go to the table and cut a female palazzo trouser. But I will not bring the video in full, but just have a clue or have a view of the finishing of the trouser, what it looks like, and then you tell me if you want to learn this on my channel, and I will make time to create the video and drop to you guys as well. Right? So having done this, then I've finished teaching them the basic parts of the machine. So here we are cutting, we have already cut this trouser, and we are ironing now the parts, the components. Ironing is part of the finishing as well. So you will see the fitting on the lady that owns it, trying to tell them the importance of ironing and how to iron trouser properly for maximum result. All of them here are still wondering the fitting, how it will be like, and I told them don't to worry, they will enjoy or they will love what they are seeing. So having done this now she went to test it in the changing room. Now she's going to test it in the changing room. So stay tuned to see the finishing or the fitting. Yeah, here we have the outcome. See the fitting, see the lovely finishing. So if you want to have this tutorial on the channel, please kindly comment and tell me to post the full video of how to cut this at ease with easy step. Right? So this will not take you more than 30 minutes to cut and sew if you know the formula and know how to go about it. You see how excited all of them were, seeing the finishing, the fitting, and everything that has to do with the trouser. I'm trying to show them the crotch area, the back. See how it's standing erect, like so fine. So if you love the video, please kindly comment on this video, share, make me understand that you want to learn this. Bye bye for now.